Hello! In this lesson we will talk about two advanced functions in Excel, index and match, which are separate functions but very often are used together. Although on the previous lesson I said that the Vlookup function is one of the most frequently used functions in Excel, there are many pros but also many cons of this function, because of which many advanced users of Excel try to use alternative functions and techniques of Excel. The main advantage of Vlookup is simplicity in using and creating formula. However, there are four important cons. First is that you can merge only the information which is placed on the right from the matching values. You can't go to the left. Second is that the formula with Vlookup can confuse when you change the places of columns which were used in the Vlookup formula. For example, if we change here the order of columns, for example, let's insert one column, go to the back, and you can see that our results here now are wrong. Let's undo the recent change. Third problem is that by Vlookup you can use only one parameter as a matching value, but in some cases it can be necessary to use, for example, two matching values. Fourth is that the Vlookup function in the case of exacting matching with large datasets works very slow. That is why many specialists in their daily job usually use another tool for merging, which is the combination of functions index and match. Let's at first try to use them separately. For example, create a small list. Let's copy some customer IDs here, and now we will use function match. Let's write match, open the formula window. As a lookup value, select customer ID here. As a lookup area, select the whole column, and of course fix it. The last field is an optional. Let's fill 0 for the exacting matching. OK. Now you can see the position of this value in this area. This customer ID, of course, is the third in this column. Let's also expand this function. Great. Now let's learn the index function. Let's write is equal to index, open the window. Here, select the area from where you want to return a value. For example, education. Fix it. Now, in the second field, the number of row of the looking value. Let's take these numbers, and here the column number. In the formula you can have only the row number or only the column number, and also the both together. Let's write 0 and click OK. Now expand the formula, and you can see that we found the education of this customer ID. Look, bachelor, here also the bachelor. And in index function we did it by using the values that we found by the match function. That is why in the beginning of the lesson I said that the combination of match and index can be used instead of Vlookup function. Let's go to our orders data, and here let's fill the information on pads by using index and match. Let's start. Index, Now select the area from where you want to return your values. Fix it. Now, as a raw number, write match function. As a lookup value, go to orders and select customer ID. Then go to customers and select whole customer ID column. Again, fix it. Then 0. Close the bracket for the match and again close the bracket for the index function. Press enter. Expand this formula. You can see that we got the same results as here by Vlookup. However, by the combination of index and match functions, you can find any value in any area regardless of these values are on the right from the matching value or on the left. In addition, we can find and merge values based on the two matching values instead of one, as in Vlookup function. For this purpose, we have to fill both a number of row and number of column. I want you to do it yourself. Now you know also the alternative method for merging information. At the end, I can say that this method works faster with the large datasets than the Vlookup function. These functions bring your knowledges of the Excel to the new level. Continue practicing. See you on the next lesson. Thank you for watching.